Hello everyone, I'm on a mission to find out where you can get fast, reliable, super accurate diagnostic tests. Apollo Diagnostics is truly changing the game. I'm here at the Central Reference Lab in Chennai. Hello doctor, you're the expert. Everyone's talking about Apollo Diagnostics. Can you tell me what sets you apart from the rest?
Hello Sahitya. Apollo Diagnostic is a part of the Apollo Group, the most trusted name in healthcare for many decades now. We have 2000 plus centers, Apollo 24/7 app, world-class automation with the best in globe technology. We offer accuracy, precision, quickness, reliability and affordability like no one else does.
That's impressive, a lab at this scale. How do you ensure speed and accuracy at the Central Research Laboratory?
This sophisticated workflow and automation design seamlessly integrates 5 major laboratory disciplines like clinical biochemistry, immunochemistry, hematology, coagulation and serology into a unified, digitally monitored, automated track system. This helps us to consolidate the workflow and a very high volume of tube movement in line with the lean design thinking. Also, we have integrated with a very sophisticated middleware which enables automated decision supportive recursive workflow which minimizes human interventions, human interpretations, manual decisions and the delays, errors associated with the same.
Nice doctor. Can you tell me a little bit more about the tests that you offer?
As I said, we do clinical biochemistry, immunochemistry, serology, hematology, coagulation, all that on the track. And apart from that, we also do advanced microbiology, serology, flow cytometry, histopathology, cytopathology, immunohistochemistry, molecular, medical genetics, all this, We do early detection of cancers, early detection of infections, complex infection, critical care support, congenital disorders. So basically, I can say that every test you ask for, we offer with the most reliability.
What kind of technology powers a lab like this?
So employing advanced robotics, bespoke algorithms, high definition cameras, machine learning, the Central Reference Laboratory optimizes processes, enhances the diagnostic timelines and all of it significantly impacts patient clinical outcome in a very favorable way.
I trust Apollo. But doctor, can you tell me how are your results objectively verified?
One of the objective criteria for the quality of any laboratory is the number of accreditation it enjoys. Some of our labs are CAP, NABL, ISO certified and we have also received multiple quality and innovation awards. Apart from this, our AI models are continually upgraded to align with the international diagnostic benchmarks.
I'm convinced. How do I book a test?
Yeah, so it's simple. Visit the Apollo 24/7 app or the Apollo Diagnostic website. Schedule your appointment. We have AI assisted scheduling of the appointment. Book the test and an expert will come to your doorstep. Give the sample, sit back and relax. We'll give you the most reliable results, absolutely hassle-free.
This is amazing. Apollo is truly changing the game.
Absolutely. Our goal? To touch 1 billion human lives with the most efficient and patient-friendly diagnostics, empowered by next-generation AI and machine learning. So, do you need a test?
Book today on the Apollo 24/7 app or on the Apollo Diagnostics website.
First and foremost, I really want to thank our respected chairman for really giving us a vision and the strategic direction to set up the CRL. I also want to thank Preeta Madam, Smita Madam, Shobna Madam and Sangeeta Madam for the sponsorship and the direction that we have got. This lab is not just a state-of-the-art facility among the best in the Southeast Asia, but it's also a center with the highest amount of clinical excellence and automation excellence. This is a zero-touch lab and the best of the equipments worldwide have been put in place here. With this lab, we wish to empower 1 billion lives and more. I really want to thank all the teams who have worked round the clock from Apollo Hospitals, Apollo Health and Lifestyle, all the vendor partners and all the project teams who have worked to make this happen. We truly want to get accessible, quality and affordable healthcare to all the millions.